Hi everybody, this is CR number 13, Extended Response 1A. It says you are looking to buy a car with great gas mileage to save money, so you started looking at hybrid cars. Look at the table on the left. How many miles per gallon does the hybrid car get? Well, when we get back from break, we are going to start looking at unit rates again, like you did in seventh grade. So we want to get you started on kind of remembering how to find the unit rate. Well, if I look over here at this graph, I need to figure out how many miles per gallon. So what I have to do is I have to look at this graph of this line here. And when I find a beautiful point on this grid where it matches the line, and it looks like here is a really nice one, I'm going to mark that point. Now, when I'm comparing two things in order to find a unit rate, I like to write the words and then the numbers that will take the place of the words. So let me do this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write miles over gallons because that's what I'm looking for, the miles per gallon for 1 gallon for the unit rate. And according to my graph over here, it looks like if I look down here, this is gas used. I don't think you can see that. I think I cut it off. But this bottom row is actually the number of gallons of gas used. And according to where this point is, it looks like a 2. So I'm going to put that 2 on the bottom next to my G. And the miles that I've gone for that 2 gallons is 160. So I'm going to go ahead and write that on the top. Now remember, a unit rate is per 1. And I'm looking for 1 gallon. So I'm going to put that 1 on the bottom. In order to go from 2 to 1, I have to divide by 2 because anything divided by itself is 1. Remember, if these are equivalent ratios, anything I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So I'm also going to divide by 2. 160 divided by 2 is 80. I don't even know if that's true, but that's amazing. 80 miles per gallon. Holy moly, I'm going out to buy that car tomorrow. So good luck on your problem. I don't think you're going to see results as great as these, but who knows, right? Oh, let me just finish writing the word gallon so you can actually read it. There we go. Good luck.